My dear students, welcome to the second video of online learning sessions. Today we are going to summarize what we have learned in chapter 1, The Nile I Know. In this chapter, we knew that Noor's family is planning for a great trip. There are more than 100 pyramids in Egypt. Grandpa wants to visit the pyramids of Giza because he didn't visit them since he was much younger. And finally they decided to go on a boat ride. Now let's talk about the maps. Maps are important tools to learn more about land and water in Egypt. And you should learn everything about maps because you are going to study social studies course in the future. From this map we can conclude that the blue color represents water, while the green color represents the Nile Valley and low-lying areas, the yellow color represents the moderate-lying areas, and finally the brown color represents the high-lying areas and of course mountains. Now let's make sure that you understood the previous slides. So complete each of the following questions. Question number 1. The green color on maps represents what? Question number 2. The brown color on maps represents what? And the third question, there are more than pyramids in Egypt. You have 2 or 3 minutes to think about the answer. Well, now let's answer the previous questions together. The green color on maps represents the Nile Valley and low-lying areas. Number 2. The brown color on maps represents high-lying areas and mountains. Number 3. There are more than 100 pyramids in Egypt. Now let's talk about another point of this chapter. Boats of the Nile. If you look at the left photo, you will find out that there is a fisherman who is using this boat for fishing. But if you look at the right photo, you will find out there's a sail in this boat. So, winds help this boat to move. Now you have 9 or 10 minutes to draw your own boat. So kindly pause this video and show me your creativity. Now let's summarize the definitions of this chapter. Number 1. Geography. It is the study of the land, water and air. Number 2. Nile Delta. It's a low-lying area where River Nile meets the Mediterranean Sea. Number 3. Legend. It tells us what the colors and symbols on the map means. Number 4. Thermometer. Tool used to measure the temperature. Number 5. Anemometer. Tool used to measure the wind speed. Number 6. Wind erosion. Wind moves sand from one place to another. Number 7. Water erosion. Water moves rocks from one place to another. Finally, I want to remind you that we can see Egypt or any country from space by using Google Earth app. This video is created by Mr. Mohamed Hamdy, science teacher at Mansoura Royal Schools. Thank you for good listening and see you next time.